Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix network sharing Windows 11 not working. Fix 1. Ensure network sharing settings are enabled. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu from the left pane, click on Network and Internet. From here, select your current network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now, under Network Profile Type, choose Private Network. Now, enable Network Discovery and File Sharing. In the search bar, type Control Panel and click on it. Now, in the Control Panel, select Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now, under Private, ensure that Turn on Network Discovery and Turn on File and Printer Sharing are selected. Now, under All Networks, you may also want to turn off Password Protected Sharing if you prefer not to require a password for network access. Fix 2. Verify folder sharing permissions. Open your folder. Then, right-click on the folder you want to share and select Properties. Now, go to the Sharing tab and click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder and click Permission. Add everyone and grant the desired permission. Example read, change. Then press OK. Now, to set security permissions, click on the folders and then select Properties. Now go to the Security tab. Ensure that the user or group, example everyone, has the necessary permissions. Step 3. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Press Windows key and R. L8 type wf.msc and press Enter. This will launch the Windows Defender firewall with Advanced Security Console. Now, in the left pane, click on Inbound Rules. Now, scroll through the list and locate the following rules. File and printer sharing, NB session in. File and printer sharing, FMB in. And file and printer sharing, echo request, ICMPv4-in. Now right-click on the each rules and select Enable Rule. Ensure that the profile is set to private. Fix 4. Enable required services. Press Windows key and R. L8 type services.msc and hit Enter. Now, locate each service, right-click and select Properties. Function Discovery Provide Host. Function Discovery Resource Publication. SHGP Discovery, UPnP device host. Locate each of these service and right-click on it and select Properties. Now set the startup type to automatic and click Start if the service isn't running. Then press OK. Pick 5. Disable IPv6 if necessary. In the search bar, type Control Panel and click on it. Now, from here, go to Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your network connection and select Properties. From here, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 and then click OK. Click Enable SMB 1.0/TIFS file sharing. From the search bar, open Control Panel. In the Control Panel, navigate to Programs and Features. From here, go to Turn Windows Features on or off. Now, scroll down and check SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Click OK and then restart your computer. Step 7. Update network drivers. Press Windows key and S. From the list, select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand Network Adapters. Then right-click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. From here, choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such valuable content.